You know that feeling, right? That little jolt of panic when you get a weird email or a strange text and you wonder, is my money safe? Well, over the next few minutes, we're going to give you the tools you need to fight back and build a financial future that's truly secure. Let's dive in. So, let's be real for a second. This question, it can be a little stressful. How secure is your money, really? But that feeling, that little bit of worry, is actually a good thing. It's a sign that it's time to take control, and that is exactly what we're about to do.
All right, first things first, you gotta know your enemy. And we're not talking about some old school pickpocket. We're talking about incredibly sophisticated scams. I mean, some can even use AI to fake a family member's voice over the phone, or build fake websites that look exactly like your bank's. Understanding how they operate is your absolute first line of defense.
So here's the secret to their whole game. Their number one weapon is surprise. It's all designed to get an emotional reaction out of you. Just think about it. A text saying you want a new phone, an email screaming that your account is locked, a call from someone pretending to be the government. They all bank on catching you off guard so you act before you think. Okay, check this out. It's amazing how obvious the scams are when you know what to look for. On the left, a real email. Notice how it uses your actual name. But now look at the scam on the right, that generic, dear customer, the fake panic they're trying to create. And here's the golden rule. Seriously, never, ever click a link in an email you weren't expecting. Always, always go to the official website yourself and log in there.
So now that we can spot the bad guys, it's time to build our fortress. These next moves are all about creating your own personal financial shield, one that doesn't just block threats, but gives you the confidence to move forward without fear.
And don't think of this as some boring checklist. It's a powerful, active cycle that keeps you in charge. It's a loop, right? First, you recognize the threat. Then, you secure your defenses. After that, you keep an eye on things. And finally, you report anything suspicious to protect not just you, but everyone else. It's a really powerful system.
Okay, let's drill down into securing your info, because this is a big one. When we say strong password, we mean using a password manager to create crazy, unique passwords for every single site. Or, think of a weird phrase that's at least 12 characters long. But the single most important thing you can do is turn on two-factor authentication, or 2FA. So what is this 2FA thing? It's actually super simple. Think of it as a second deadbolt on your digital front door. After you type your password, you need a second key, usually a code sent to your phone. This means even if a crook steals your password, they're still stuck outside. And here's a pro tip. If you have the choice, use an authenticator app instead of texts for 2FA. It's even more secure.
So our shield is up, the perimeter is secure. But you know what? Real financial security isn't just about playing defense. It's about going on offense and actively building the life you want. That security is the foundation you need to grow. It's time to take control.
The very first play in our offensive playbook is the budget. I know, the B word. But you can't be in control of your money if you have no idea where it's going. A really great starting point is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income for your needs, 30 for wants, and 20 for savings. Just try tracking your spending for 1 month. That clarity alone is a total game changer.
Next up, your emergency fund. This is your financial safety net for when life, happens. A good goal is to have 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses stashed away. And don't just let it sit in your checking account. Put it in a high-yield savings account where it can actually earn a little interest while still being ready when you need it.
And finally, the third part of our offense, investing. See, saving protects you from today's emergencies, but investing is what builds real long-term wealth. This is how you make your money work for you, growing faster than inflation over time. It's the engine that's going to get you to your biggest goals. Wow, okay, we've covered a ton of ground. We've gone from spotting threats and building our defenses all the way to going on offense with our money. So let's bring it all home and talk about what this empowered financial future really looks like. I just love this quote because it's so true. Financial health isn't about one giant move like winning the lottery or something. No, it's built on all the small, steady things you do every single day, like checking your bank account, setting up an automatic transfer to savings, or turning on 2FA for one more app. Those are the actions that build a rock-solid future.
So, if you only remember one thing from all of this, please let it be this. You are not a passenger in your financial life. You are the driver. With the tools and knowledge we just talked about, you have the power to steer your money exactly where you want it to go. You are in control.
Look, knowledge is one thing, but action is where the real power is. You now have what you need to protect and to grow your money. So what's one small thing you can do right now, today, to get started? Go update 1Password. Set up that one recurring transfer. Just take that first step, because your secure financial future doesn't start tomorrow. It starts right now.